Hello and welcome back to my channel. In the last episodes we recapped the Amiga 600. We tried to fix the floppy disk drive and that it doesn't work, and now we have some other part to repair. It's the RAM expansion. The RAM expansion is working. Only the battery is leaking, so we have not so much work to do, but so we can test after the repair if all is working correctly. So enjoy the video and let's go. So here we are. This is the RAM expansion. It's not a Commodore one. It's a third party. It works very well. It's full function. The one point that it's bad is the battery is leaking, minimal but leaking, and is empty. So we desoldering the battery and making recapping these two caps. Some issues with the focus. So these two caps we are changing, cleaning up, and then we will see. So here I have my PCB holder. It's very cheap and you can buy it on Amazon, but it's worked. The working is fine, so you can twist it and it's very good to handle. So. Now see, the battery is off and it's a little bit leaking, so we can clean it up a little bit. So and we taking a paper towel and you see it's clean. Now we take some vinegar, white vinegar, for the battery leakage, so this can soak for a while and then we clean it up later. And recapping the RAM expansion. Now we clean it up and then we change the capacitors. So, and now we're ready to test. So let's test the capacitors, if they are bad or not. They must have 10 microfarads. Yeah, they're good. And they are also good. 9.9 and 10.3. So, yeah, the capacitors are good, but they're from the 90s, and we don't wait for the damage. So it's changed, all good. And now we put the RAM expansion back in the Amiga and test with the test program. So here we go. The RAM expansion is sitting here under the trapdoor. The trapdoor were here, but it's not installed. So it's connected here on the edge connector, so that you can start the test. Now we're powering up and check the Amiga and make some last checks with keyboard and yeah. So here we go. Now we check if the memory is working. Yeah, and you will see 2 MB of chip RAM, no fast RAM, no slow RAM. The RAM expansion works. And now we make the keyboard check. So you can see there's a virtual keyboard, and if you press the key, it went to green when it's working. So we press all the buttons. F7 don't work. Zero doesn't work. P is also not working. Control works. This one not works. So, here we go. There we have a problem with the matrix of the keyboard. So, then we have to disassemble the keyboard and check the membrane. Let's go. So we're back on the bench. I have disassembled the keyboard and now we take it apart. And the good thing on this keyboard is it doesn't fall apart. Some other computers of this era have loose keys, and if you twist it, it fell apart. So now we check the traces. So we must have connection from here to here. And we don't have 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, we have the wrong mode. So, yeah, we have connection from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. So we have connection. Yeah, seems to be working. So I think we can get some bad connection in this connector and this cable. So let's try it out. So we make some screws in there. The keyboard membrane stays in the right position. The first thing we do before we connecting the keyboard to the computer is we make some contact cleaner in the connector. A little bit too much. So now we set it on here. Put the cable right in. So power in the USB stick. So, and now we power on. So we have the Amiga test kit that I use for that, keyboard. So let's try. Yeah, and you see it's a bad connection. No issues. Well, yeah. You see? It's fully working. And now we're here. And let's take the last screws in here and reassemble. Put it here, might be okay, and put it in. So we can carefully take it in. So now take it in, and so we are finished with this keyboard. So that's the end of this repair series. We have the little A600 recapped. The floppy drive we tried to fix. It doesn't work. The A600 worked. It's I have stored this the last 20 years, so there had no rust and other issues. Yeah, that's it. Maybe we can make in the near future some future-proofing with HDD and Gotek or another floppy drive. So I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, you know what to do. Click the thumbs down button. Please subscribe if you doesn't have subscribed. And so I see you in the next episode where we get another computer. Bye.